Okay, it should be recording. I'm going to try to explain this again because people don't listen and they keep telling me to upgrade everything again and again. That's not the case. I just got these. The big, heavy platforms. 4 of them. Okay, I had to get the platform in order to put the turret on it. Okay, so I've got one of each of the heavy turrets. Okay, if I go to the defense lab and I opened it, you go to heavy turrets. You see Overwatch is on 3. Rail Launcher is on 3. Heavy Flak is on 2. And the missile is on 4. Okay? Again, I had to have the platform in order to put the turrets on those 4. So the platform was first. Okay? Now, here, this is supposed to be a 4. The platform's a 3. The missile's a 1. Again, look in here. It's a 4. You see, Hunter Missile, level 4. Okay? You see here, Hunter Missile, level 1. My turret is a 3. This is a 1. Okay. The next one, again, the rail launcher is a 1. The platform's level 3. You go into my... I just don't understand. Kickside doesn't understand this. Dude I'm talking to here doesn't understand this. But you go to the defensive lab again. The rail launcher's a 3. Again, the platform was first. Now the turret is a 3, or the platform is a 3. Rail launcher is again a 1. And the same thing for everything else. Now you look at these guys. Platform is a level 5. It shows it's a level 6 on the 11.5 turret, but watch what happens when you Google here. It says 6. This is crazy. Here, oops, wrong area. Here, it's a level 8, working to be level 9. Okay, do you follow me? Level 8, working to be level 9. See these 2, 2, 3, and level 8, almost a 9. Now, if you look at the turrets, it's a level 6. You look at the turrets, it's a level 1 on the microwave. Yet the platform's a level 7. Okay? Right there it says microwave level 1. Right here, it says microwave level 2. So shouldn't that coincide with each other? Again, you know, I give